Alright, so let's get started with the two classes. In this tutorial we will make LevelData plus LevelManager two classes. So to get started, so first thing we will look for is that we will head over to scripts folder, and there here inside scripts folder we will make two classes. Open create C# script, that is MonoBehaviour script. For one script we will call it LevelManager, and we'll make another script, MonoBehaviour script or ScriptableObject, up to you. ScriptableObject will have only data thing attached with it. For bigger projects and for much more modularity, that is if you want to use the same LevelData class in other projects of yours, you can go on with the LevelData ScriptableObject, but for this we are using the MonoBehaviour script. So here we will make LevelData like this, and we will double click here, so the LevelData opens up. And what will our LevelData have is pretty simple. We'll have mission start text, mission end text, and this will be it. Or what else can we do here in the LevelData class? For now we can start with this one, and we will later grow on it. Also we can here name, level name, yeah, and so on. So what we have done here, we will simply copy it. Float here, oops, string, I mean string, and all will be public. Or you guys can use serialized field, and later you can make a public function to change them. I will simply make them public. You can also make use of scriptable objects, which are only supposed to have data like this. MonoBehaviour approach, and this is LevelData. And now we will head over to our level static immovable object here, and inside our first level, which is this and this. So in this game objects there were questionnaires, and in this level thing we had a, so let's create an empty, call it level1, put these two here inside level1. So now if we uncheck this, we will have our level gone, and that enemy can be stored inside enemy as well, but for now we won't do it. So this is our level data. And now if we inside level 1, we will simply mount this new script. Mission start text will be let's go let's go find them and kill them. Mission and text will be great job fighter, and level name would be justice served, or any specific caption that you want. So this is our level 1 data. We will save it like this here again, and inside the singleton global that we had in a script, which was the, if you see in the scripts folder, this is singleton global of ours, and here right now the level is 0. So this will navigate through the levels of the game, and then we will have a level manager class that we just created right now. It will simply go to this level manager, the top of the hierarchy of level static, and here we will, when we edit script here, we will simply inside start, we will get child at, we will make use of get child at, and simply turn that on. Again, if you're not sure of what is get child at, you can head over to Unity documentation. One thing you can search for is simply search for scriptable objects, that what are they and how you can use them if you want to use them. Second thing is get child. So you will make use of this function, hierarchy dot get child index, or Transform.GetChild. Specifically this one we will make use of. So whatever the level number is, it will simply turn this level on when the level starts, and other would be off. So what this means is that if I turn this on, and this tutorial singleton global will be accessed, and int level is equal to this tutorial singleton class and then this level. So this will be our current level. Get the current level from singleton global class, and simply from the level manager we will head over to Transform.GetChild. Oops, this is, so if this is the level manager script, so at index 0 we will simply turn this off. It is off already. So Transform.GetChild at 0 index, which is on already, we will turn this to dot game object dot set active true. And now we will head over to our game and turn this level 1 off. And now if we play it, yeah, as you can see, it turned on this level by default. So now if we play, it will show the similar level. But if we change this to if we change the level to something different, so for example, to show you that it doesn't work if we change the level, if we change the level plus plus, and now if we change it here, oops, we have to put this level. And if we now play it, as you can see, it throws up error Transform.GetChild out of bounds. And yeah, because there is no child one, so simply it will throw an error. But if we uncheck this here like this, and now it will run fine. Second thing we need to do is move the enemies, that is this big rock, inside our level. So this is how it looks, and all is fine, I guess, here. And this is our level 1, and now we will make level start screen. Oops, my mouse just got invisible. So now we will make a canvas screen that will show up this level data that we just made. So this is level data, and we will simply make use of it by accessing this thing here and showing it up in a screen. So if you head over to canvas, and inside in-game canvas, if we turn it on, turn the main menu off, so this is our in-game canvas. And in this canvas we will simply add a new window. So to do this, either we will copy this, if I can show you this previous window that we created for the settings panel, settings button aqua, just duplicate it and put into in-game canvas. And now if we turn this on off, and this in-game canvas is with the name setting, and inside setting we will simply use this setting canvas so this is only the button, but we want full panel. So settings parent, this is the panel, I guess, and duplicate it, put it into canvas, turn it on, and now we will try to close this button or set it inactive here, and then we can make it inside, rename the setting parent to mission level start canvas, and here we will remove the bars. So we remove the bars, and simply we will inside of setting here again we will call it background. We will yeah, so this is how the background will be like, and here we will rename it or make it a prefab. So it has because this is a reusable component. So if we head over to our prefabs, prefabs, here we will, this is our prefab, we will make a new folder, we will rename it to canvas, and we will rename. So first put the text here if you want to, or simply make it take it here to this here and rename it to UI dialog, it, so it's for tutorial purposes, and later you can use it or delete it, up to you. So here inside, again, you don't have to do changes at the individual level of prefab, rather specifically we needed this for as level start text. So this is the image, and we will also make an image so rest of the screen is hidden. Simply make an image, UI image. In the background we will call it background image. Turn the color to black, turn the opacity to really low something, and here turn the height and width to 1920 by 1080. And now if I can turn this on like this, so this is whole screen turns black, and if I turn it like with different opacity, screen behaves different. So this is better now because the text is much more focusable. And now in the inspector we call it background image semi-transparent, and inside background, which is if I can put this screen back here, inside this background here we will write our text. So create empty, and here we will write our text, UI TextMeshPro text. It's kinda scaled and squeezed, which we don't want, so make an auto size here like this. So this scale is panned up, I think, because, and now if you can write a caption text here, we will call it objectives, and pan it over like this. Yeah, or objectives, or briefing, we can say it briefing. And okay, so change the color to something like this. And yes, so this is it. This will be briefing text, and then we will have we need to center it a bit like this, and then we will have two more text things here. That will be text, mission start text, so this will be our mission start text, and once this is patched up, the game will start. And this image we can also turn into much more dark again if you have to. Then save it, and we will see next tutorial what we can do from here.